welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to plan your reading in Readwise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to plan a reading in Readwise, then all you gotta do first is simply go to Readwise. Once you are in your Readwise, you need to get logged in into your account now. After getting logged in into your account, if you want to plan your reading, you need to focus on creating a capture review integrated workflow. You can simply capture highlights from books or articles using the reader or integrations and use Readwise daily review for spaced repetition of key insights and actively connect them to your life notes or projects. You can now build a system by adding diverse content via your RSS or browser extensions, organizing with folders, and consistently engaging with your personalized daily digest for retention and learning. So, if you do this, you will be able to plan a reading in Readwise. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.